State Force na mathau ningthina tawba phangdrabadi miyam gi punsi amade lanthum ngak senaba atopa upai thirakpada Armed Force sing hena thabak tawrakpa yai haina Manipur Police ki IGP Administration ke Zaintana phongdorklei ngasi babu parada leba Police Headquarter da IGP Intelligence IK Muiva amasung IGP Operation ke Kavipsu saruk yaduna pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada wafam asi phongdokhibani IGP ke Zaintana makha taraduna tha asigi tang kuntaret ki numidang da Additional SP Moirangthem Amit ki yumda khulai paiba sakhangdaba singna attack tawduna thokiba thodok adu State Police Force na condemn tawi mahaki maramda social media da aran wafam kya thaglang liba asi supende Moirangthem Amit asi mathau masak khangba police officer amani thodok amaga mari lena halaga mahaki mathakta amasung mayumda thoningda ba thodok kya thokiba asi State Police na condemn tawi hojik Manipur gi oreba piba masida State Police Force na pungkun mari mathau tawduna leiri hojik amana amagi asoiba thinaduna leibagi matam nate social media da post ama thagalakpa matamda miyam na kupna neina view asumaran thidok piyo hairaduna State Police Force na mathau tawbada miyam na sogat piyo haiki.
He only performed the mandated lawful duties. Masida magi personally koi ke no to bama bog le manate. Police officer mana tohom thopa crime ama thopa kanda madu attend to buda ne aba. Aduna mujhe koi amana amagi maral sinaba matam nate. State Force da eject tokta kramaina koi thubuk to doino. Akoi thubuk to budum to bung ngamak to ni na thubuk to budum atopa alternative ama praja gi life ti kandabiya ti property kandabiya ti. Si therapata abani aduna krai de dai armed forces requisition tor pata abani. Instead of criticizing, defaming, usually like this, Thana na tawriba thawak sida koi da support pi badar kar nahi, moral boost up to badar kar nahi. Social media de active am oiba koi friends inse. Whenever any comment is posted or uploaded, they mun third nahi biyo. Usiki hide ba keno mi man hiding na pungai hide na taw. Si tawbida, kari no hide this sum bar sum da kara khara khandara ga amtang tawbida bi am phagani.
Pawgi mi phamadu IGP Operation ke kabibna phongdokibada February 23 ki nungthilda North AOC da leiba oil depot dage gari ani lakre haibagi paw ma phangki paw si phangbaga Additional SP Moirangthem Amit OCP asoba yauna police ki team sing sangsinduna search operation sathaduna lakkiba gari adu phagat pangamki masigi matangda Imphal Police Station da FIR ama chankre haiduna miyamna lobu khutta paina hona biganu chingna ba khudimak police ta laktuna haibiu police na logi matungina thabak paikhat kani haiki.
On 27th February 2024 afternoon, 2 vehicles were snatched by some armed miscreants. So immediately after receiving the information, Sri Moirangthem Amit Singh and our Inspector P. Achoba Maitai with other officers were able to intercept these 2 vehicles and they were able to rescue it. Along with that, they have apprehended one individual who was involved in that incident also. In this connection, one regular FIR is also registered in Imphal police station. Our police officer was doing his lawful mandated duty. The elders of the society not to support such kind of incidents, but do not take law in your hand and it will create more and more problem only. And we also condemn the character assassination of our officers and the police in the social media. Whoever do such things will also be booked under relevant sections of the law. So with this, once again I request all the public of Manipur, please cooperate with police.
IGP IK Muivana pawgi mi phamadu da hai logi matungina police na thabak tawba ngaktani miyam gi support leitabadagi police na thabak tawba ngamlaktrabadi miyam ngak senaba atop upai thirakpada Central Forcing mapung phaana thamjillakpa natana upai leite.
If the civil police are not able to perform due to lack of cooperation from the public, the other central security forces will automatically has to come in to assist, to help. So it is our appeal to all the public to give maximum cooperation to the police and also the CSOs to understand the situation. And as far as the weapons that were lost, we have recovered most of them. A few are yet to come back. So we're going to do the operation to recover those weapons that are there. The district commissioners have requisitioned central paramilitary forces as well as the army because of the 27 situation to help out, which will apply to all parts of the state, whether it is in the hilly areas or in the valley, wherever it is affected. Try to make things limp back to normalcy, a better way, condition, that has been there all along during this very challenging time and crisis.